Hello students, welcome back in online EVS classes. So today we are going to study lesson 6. The name of this lesson is Take a Break. Topics to be discussed in this lesson are introduction, playing games, games at school, games at home, playing together, rules of games, fights during games, other ways of recreation and family recreation. Now first we will see what is recreation. Recreation is an activity that people do to refresh their body and mind. When we work or study hard, we need some rest and we also need to have fun. So this is called recreation. Recreation means doing something for our enjoyment and relaxation. So what we do for our enjoyment? Some people play sports, some like to watch movies, puppet shows, cartoons, etc. Some people enjoy listening to music or play games. In addition to this, fairs, circus, family get-togethers, traveling are also recreational activities. Playing sports keep us healthy and active. Traveling helps us to learn about new places and people. Second topic is playing games. Children, as we all know that study is very important for us. In the same way, playing is also important. We should play games as it makes us happy and increase our ability to think quickly and to notice things. It also improves our social and communication skills. We learn how to interact with anyone while working with them. Playing also teaches us discipline, that is, ability to control the behavior. The games we play can be of two types, that is, outdoor games and indoor games. First, we'll see outdoor games. Games that we play outside our houses are called outdoor games like cricket, football, hockey, hide and seek, etc. These games relax our mind and teach us meeting and spending time with people in a friendly way. Second, indoor games. Games that we play inside our houses are called indoor games like Ludo, Carom, table tennis, chess, and computer games. These games are also good for our relaxation. Now, next topic is games at school. In school, children play games during games period. The games that we usually play in schools are tennis, badminton, cricket, etc. Some children like to play on swings, slides, and seesaws. Sports like swimming, gymnastics, martial arts, that is judo and karate, skating, football, and hockey are learned under the guidance of a coach or a trainer. They teach us how to play these sports. Now, games at home. We play with our friends in a park or playground. There are many games we play at our home. We do cycling and skipping with our friends. We play many indoor games also. The other games we play at our home are badminton, basketball, table tennis, and tennis. Sometimes we also play games like Kho with our friends in the neighborhood. Now, playing together. Playing together means instead of playing alone, we should play with our friends. It builds our team spirit. That is, it enhances the feeling of working together and we get ready to help each other as part of a team. It develops leadership qualities in us. We get confident and learn to respect each other. And the most important thing is we have great fun by playing with others. In a team, everyone should get chance to play that game, and we must take care of it that we should play with everyone, be it a boy or a girl. First thing you should keep in your mind is that all games are meant for both boys and girls, so they should be encouraged to play together. Rules of games. Children, have you ever thought that why we follow rules in any game? Because rules ensure a fair game. In some games, set rules are there that we follow, and in some games, rules are made as the game progresses. Cricket, tennis, basketball, hockey, and football are the games that have set rules. Rules help us to avoid any type of conflicts and fights. In many games, referees and umpires are there. Their work is to ensure that the rules are followed and everyone plays a fair game. Fights during games. If we will not follow the rules, it may cause quarrels or fights. Some players bully the other players, means they use their strength to threaten other players. So by following these rules, we can avoid any type of conflicts. First, do not cheat. Second, do not be aggressive or abusive. Third, do not bully anyone. Fourth, play with everyone to maintain a team spirit. Respect the decision of an umpire for a referee. Show sportsmanship, that is, be polite during games. Here, two pictures are there. You can understand that do not bully anyone during game and show sportsmanship. Next topic is other ways of recreation. Children, now we will see other ways of recreation. First, playing with tops. A spinning top is commonly known as lattu that spins on the ground. It is usually pear-shaped and made of wood with an iron tip. Its axis is coiled with a string or a rope which is pulled. As the string gets unwound, it sets the top in motion. Second is kite flying. From olden days only, kite flying is a very famous game which is played on the occasion of Makar Sankranti. Kites are made of colorful paper or plastic and are kept above in the sky by using a special thread called manja, which is attached to the kite. The goal of this game is to cut the manja of other players. Now, what is resting mode rate? When we are at rest, our heart rate is slow. It is called the resting rate. It gives us relaxation from the stress. That's why it is said to be that with work, rest is also important as it gives our body a chance to refresh. Family recreation. Apart from playing, many other things are also there for our recreation that gives us chance to spend time with our family members at cinemas, fairs, circuses and puppet shows. First we will see fairs. Fairs are commonly known as melas that are held in open grounds on different festivals and occasions. People of all age groups enjoy there. Different types of rides, games, food stalls, and handicrafts are found at a fair. Some fairs last for a single day, while others are held for more than a day. Fairs are also a kind of fair that is organized by schools. Some famous fairs are Kumbh Mela, Pushkar Mela, that are religious and cultural fairs respectively. Some fairs are meant for business purposes such as the Auto Expo, the World Book Fair, etc. Now second is puppet shows. Puppet shows are a traditional form of recreation. In this show, puppets are made of cloth in humans or animals forms, and strings are attached to these puppets. They are operated by artists known as puppeteers. They only give voice to puppets. Puppet shows are mainly based on comic stories or moral stories. Here you can see the picture of puppet show. Now, circus. Circus was very common in past. Circus companies used to set up huge colorful tents decorated with lights, but in present time also it held in some places. Acrobats, jugglers, clowns, and various trained animals perform on the stage. The person who directs the show is called as ringmaster. Clowns make the people laugh with their funny activities. Jugglers toss the ball and rings in the air. Acrobats do somersault. Children, somersault is the movement in which somebody turns over completely, in which their head is on the ground and feet is in the air. Here you can see some pictures related to circus. Children, playing games help us to exercise. So with the studies, you should also play games. Walking, jogging, running, cycling, and yoga are also good ways to exercise. So, in this lesson, you have learnt about the importance of games and about various recreational activities. Now, children, it's a time for an activity which is related to one game. The name of this game is Pictionary. It is a fun game that requires one player to draw an image indicating the word where the other player has to guess it correctly. For this game, you will need a paper or board and pencil or marker. How to play this game? You have to write down different words on pieces of paper and drop them in the bowl. Now you have to pick up the pieces and draw it on the board without telling the other player what it is. Alternately, other person will draw and you will guess. You can make this game more fun by having groups and competing against each other. Thank you.